We are so grateful to be celebrating 25 years of this iconic tradition of the War Eagle flight. This flight has come to mean so much for the Auburn community. It is more than something cool that packs the stadiums before game day. I view it as a Trojan horse of sorts into our mission. That visibility of the Eagle carries so much on their wings of who we are and what we do.
Being able to have these Eagle flights in the stadium with, say, 90,000 people, and then whoever's watching on TV, wherever they're from, right, they learn the appreciation for not only bald eagles or golden eagles in their environment where they live, but also to really appreciate in the beauty and the grace of these animals. And hopefully that will encourage them to look a little bit further into, what kind of things that they can do to help protect these animals in their own backyards and in their communities.
I think that just that integration of the Raptor Center into the academic mission of the whole college is such a unique asset to our college, and one that we want to continue to cultivate.
The Auburn University Raptor Center is a division of the College of Veterinary Medicine, and this partnership means everything. Whenever we get a rehab patient into our hospital here, we're able to provide cutting-edge treatment to give that bird its best opportunity to return to the wild.
We are extremely lucky here at Auburn that we have our partnership with the College of Veterinary Medicine, and that allows us to do some pretty extraordinary things that other wildlife rehabilitation centers are not able to do. Where we really get to shine is when we can collaborate with other services at the hospital. So, we get to do things like doing CT scans, endoscopy, and fluoroscopy, things that a lot of other centers don't have the access to do. We do consultations with the neurology service, the dermatology service, cardiology service, internal medicine, just so many other areas of the hospital where we get to provide a level of care that is really hard to come across at other facilities.
I was a student here many years ago. Students get a lot of opportunities here. They can start off as volunteers in education, in rehabilitation, or in medicine. They can kind of follow through from there. For our veterinary students, we have a group called Raptor Team, which essentially is composed of first, second, and third year veterinary students that want to be more involved and learn more about the cases. And so they'll come out and help with cases usually on the weekends, get a chance to sit in rounds and learn about what our cases are and what we're currently doing with them.
The opportunity to see these cases from start to finish and be able to see a lot of these birds take flight back into the wild or take flight around Jordan-Hare Stadium, both are equally rewarding, and it's really kind of magical when you feel that excitement in the stadium when people know that the eagle comes out onto the field, and just the kind of eruption of joy when that flight happens. We get to have those special moments with people where we talk to them not just about these birds, but about what can they do to be good conservationists in their own lives.
There are so many mutual benefits that are created by having the Raptor Center being on our campus. There's just unlimited opportunities to work together, training our clinical students to learn how to treat animals that are raptors who are injured, and how to conduct a physical exam, how to determine a treatment plan, and then how to implement that plan. All of that is part of the clinical experience. Every time a student has a chance to treat an animal that's slightly different than a dog or cat, that's really broadens our reputation, and it improves our teaching, our curriculum, and it makes people want to come to Auburn for their education. So all of these unique experiences that we create through the Raptor Center make the College of Veterinary Medicine better and bigger.